calling all NDSU researchers. Dr. Jane Schuh, the Vice President for Research and Creative Activity, invites you to a special Lunch and Learn on Tuesday, May 7th from 11 to 1:30 in the Memorial Union Prairie Rose Room. The event will be focused on iUPs, or Industry-University Partnerships. iUPs are a new and innovative model for NDSU to engage industry by leveraging NDSU, industry, and government support. While the government funding levels are not fully defined, NDSU would be well positioned by having industry partnerships in place so we can be shovel-ready to create the future through innovation and partnership. The vision of this program is to build teams, develop a nimble research model, and put NDSU researchers in a position to quickly respond to industry needs. But we can't do it without your help and support. If you're a researcher at NDSU, participation in this Lunch and Learn is an opportunity for you to grow your research program and help steer the university in a direction that can enhance your research program. The goal of the iUPs program is to partner with industry by leveraging government funding to produce translational research that will enhance economic development for the state, region, and across the nation. By attending this Lunch and Learn, you'll be able to network with other researchers and help define the final structure and focus areas of the iUPs program. Only through your participation can we hear your voice. We hope to see you at the iUPs Lunch and Learn, Tuesday, May 7th from 11 to 1:30 in the Memorial Union Prairie Rose Room. Help us drive innovation at NDSU.